Hey everyone! Today we're talking about security. Specifically, how to protect your precious iPhone in case it ever gets lost or stolen. We'll be diving into a powerful feature called Stolen Device Protection, a hidden gem in iOS 17.3, and later that adds an extra layer of security to your device. What is Stolen Device Protection? Imagine this. Your iPhone gets snatched. Panic sets in, but then you remember Stolen Device Protection. This nifty feature kicks in when your iPhone is away from familiar locations like your home or work, making it much harder for anyone to tamper with your data or accounts. Now, let's see how to activate this guardian angel for your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap on Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode on older iPhones. Enter your passcode. Scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. Simply toggle the switch to on. To use Stolen Device Protection, you need two-factor authentication enabled for your Apple ID. You also need to have a device passcode and either Face ID or Touch ID set up. That's it, folks! With Stolen Device Protection activated, you can rest assured that your iPhone has an extra layer of security against unauthorized access. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, so take these steps today and safeguard your data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, stay safe and secure.